Hi, I'm Tyler Martinez.
Andrea Silva.
Strina Lennis.
Gordon Bradley.
My name is Mitchell Maloon.
I'm the Aerostructures lead and current president.
The payload lead, past president.
And I'm the competition lead
Of the Case Rocket team.
Case Rocket team.
Case Rocket team.
Case Rocket team.
On the Case Rocket team.
So the big jump this year was from 10K to 30K, which was just a whole different ballgame. And early on in the year, we were playing with our open rocket and our simulation files, and we were like, oh, it's not gonna work. And that was pretty bad. So we sat down for a really long time with our design leads and with our other team members, and really spent weeks cracking away this open rocket to try to get the rocket to actually hit 30K. It took a really long time. It took a lot of ingenuity on the part of our team. We were able to get there, and we're out here launched today.
For payload, we're trying to fit all of our recovery and technical objectives into like this 3U CubeSat, which is not that large compared to the rest of our rocket. So the real challenge has been figuring out how to physically fit all the electronics in that volume and then wire them together. We've had to get really creative in CAD with combining metal parts and 3D prints and fitting everything in like a jigsaw puzzle, and then having to figure out where our wiring is going to go and how to make it as integrated and as tight as possible while still being functional and experimental for us as a team.
Currently departing Tucson, Arizona, where I'm staying for the summer, to head to Las Cruces, New Mexico for competition this year.
Alright, so what we're doing today is a lot of the administrative stuff, introduction ceremony, and then safety inspections, where then they tell us everything we did wrong, and then we're going to go and fix that tonight.
I think it's really cool how many teams there are, how many people there are that are just really excited to share information about the rockets, share all their knowledge that they've learned so that everyone can make better rockets. It's such a collaborative, fun event. I'm really excited to see it all.
It's launch day today. Who isn't excited? It's the culmination of our entire year's work, the hundreds or thousands of hours of design, testing, and research. Finally, we'll go on full display today in front of tons of people. I'm excited. I think we're going to get in the air today.
Comp's done. Let's go. We had our rocket on the pad, and I was installing the igniter, and as I was about to go for it, there was a really big gust of wind, and it fell over. The rail buttons snapped. I mean, they weren't rail buttons, but they snapped. The rocket kind of killed itself. When we got back out to the pads a little later, we turned it over, we safed it, and we realized through our inspections that there was something a little wrong with the fins. I pushed it, and it just moved a lot. We talked about it a little more and said, maybe there's a way to repair it. Maybe there's a way forward. And we kind of had to sit down and figure that out. We talked to a lot of people. We came up with a lot of different options. We're hoping for, success to 20,000 feet instead of 30. It was definitely scarier earlier, but I think that we definitely have a path forward, and I think we're on the right track.
So the plan today is pretty simple. It's fix all of our problems. Pretty unfortunate that we're doing this on Friday. The goal is to launch on Saturday. We're also building the smaller motor today, which we think will help with our overall altitude and our fin strength. We come to Spaceport to compete, and we've had a lot of bumps along the way, but that's okay. That's what we're here for. We're going to keep competing, and I think we still have a really good chance of getting this rocket up in the air Saturday morning.
My proudest moment has been seeing everyone's faces as they put the rocket together and seeing it all come together and seeing how this team is so proud.